In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change the language to an English dub on Crunchyroll. If you prefer to watch anime in English instead of the original Japanese audio, I will help you find dubbed anime easily. To get started, open up the Crunchyroll app, and then tap on the Browse button at the bottom center. After that, tap on this button at the top right. And then tap Dubbed. Tap Update Filters. Now you will be able to see all of the dubbed anime on Crunchyroll. If you want to find a specific dubbed anime, tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then search for that anime. Now you'll be able to see the search results. So if the anime is dubbed in English, it will say dub underneath the seasons and episodes count. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.